What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Go YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the Sofi stock. We have a lot of great news for you today. I've been covering this stock for many years since they, hit the public markets, and it's been a very rough ride for the Sofi stock, with the high inflation and higher interest rate environment. I still believe we are going to potentially get a couple rate cuts in the back end of the year, just listening to Jerome Powell and the Fed speaking, okay? That's going to take some time. I don't want you to worry about that. I want you to worry about, dollar cost averaging if you believe in the company. The SoFi stock has improving fundamentals, and the CEO is making massive moves right now, to get this stock moving. Remember, guys, anybody new to the channel, the SoFi management has massive bonuses to hit in 2026. And they were going to get those bonuses if they can hit the $45 level. That's their compensation. That's why you see them making these moves because, they want to profit. They want to be compensated, for improving this company. And I believe that's exactly what the company is doing right now. Now, I think the biggest, gray scale right now inside of the SoFi stock is the analysts are so off on what the company is going to be doing this year, okay? The SoFi management has guided, a little bit soft in Q4, but with this new convertible, note deal, it's going to be freeing up a lot of lending capacity for further growth. Now, why are they doing that? I personally believe they are doing that is because they're seeing massive users getting onto the platform with this NBA partnership. They're seeing so many users that they cannot wait and play it cautious, okay? They need to go out there and attack the market share right now and capitalize. And that's why you're seeing them make this deal. This frees up their capital. This gives them a better capital ratio and allows them to lend even further. That's what we're going to be seeing in Q1, I believe. I think SoFi is going to absolutely smash their guidance. And no matter how long you've been inside of the SoFi stock, there's no excuses for anybody not to have a solid price average, okay? The stock has been selling off for 3 years, okay? You could dollar cost average, every single quarter, every other 90 days, and still bring your average down, okay? The stock has been suppressed for so long. The short interest is 158 million. The stock is just ready to blow. They are already profitable and guiding for full year profitability. So many companies have exploded on, back-to-back and 3 in a row of profitable quarters. I think SoFi is right there, right at the grass, and these shorts are not going to have anything to short SoFi off. We just had 2 sell ratings on the SoFi stock today, a $3 price target and a $6.50 price target, and the stock went green today. These price targets are not doing anything any longer because nobody is falling for the games anymore, okay? Especially after this convertible note and everybody really looked into the details. There's so many different variations of that convertible note, but the biggest one I want you to realize is it gives SoFi lending capacity to continue growth on in 2024, and that's what I think they're going to capitalize on with this NBA partnership. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on the breaking news. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, check this out. The SoFi stock had a crazy day today as well. Down early on in the day, 2%, a nice pump up 4%, sold off down about plus 1%, and then it's pumping up a little bit in the after hours, guys. This convertible note is supposed to finalize by Friday. And you guys, I've been hearing the rumors, okay? There's a lot of bullish things inside of that convertible note. It goes all the way out to 2029. There's call options on the stock, $9 to $14 levels, 100 million shares potentially bought off the market, held into, long-term holdings, saving potentially 40 million in interest payments. There's a lot of different variations. But once again, the most bullish part of the convertible note for me personally is that lending capacity ramping up, giving us more capacity, getting our capital ratios a little bit higher, guys. This is exactly what I want to see, okay? I want to see SoFi capitalize on this NBA partnership. If we're getting, a million users to the platform, I want them to, capitalize and, start doing more lending, okay? And I think we're going to see that for 2024. And I think potentially right now the analysts want to see 15% revenue growth. I think there's a chance SoFi is going to come in over 30% revenue growth. Think about the disconnection from analysts in the SoFi stock, guys. I mean, analysts are going to lose so much credibility, guiding for 15% revenue growth and not listening to what the management is trying to do, trying to navigate, not making adjustments. And, SoFi is going to be smashing these earnings. So I really don't care what the analysts do because this stock is significantly undervalued right now. They just put up 36% growth last year. And guys, just take a look at the volume. We had insane volume yesterday, but back-to-back days of insane volume, after the convertible note news already came out. This is very strange, guys. Average volume is 53 million. Today was at 119 million, guys. A little bit higher, over 100, probably over 120 million because I did this at 340. So 120 million volume. almost tripled the volume, guys. So there's a lot of accumulation going on at these levels, especially in that morning. Once again, I want to see how the stock really reacts, a couple weeks out after this convertible note actually closes on Friday. Now, guys, I want you to see something that's very, very bullish. Take a look at this, guys. This has to do with the NBA bank partnership, the deal with Tatum. He's the sponsored athlete for the Boston Celtics. Now, take a look at this. I was watching, ESPN today. SoFi just advertised the Jason Tatum commercial 2 times today on ESPN in less than a 2-hour span. I was watching it, so this is accurate. Just regular ESPN, no games. My guess is they will run the commercial multiple times tonight on NBA games, seeing their 6 games tonight. Couple nights ago, I was tweeting on Twitter that they were advertising on 2 separate NBA games as well. So they're doing, 2 different states advertising this commercial at once. Just crazy brand awareness. Summary: this commercial must be working because they are playing the hell out of it. If you actually watch the commercials, it has such a clear message through the words of Tatum and what SoFi is. Then when you go to the website, he is the first thing that you see. So I expect 1 million members quarterly, coming very soon. So take a look, guys. Once you see that commercial, showing the SoFi logo, Jason Tatum talking about SoFi, some people hear banking, they don't know exactly what it is. Is it an app? You go to the website, boom, look at this click funnel, guys. 1 click away from joining to be a SoFi user. Get started. Boom. Jason Tatum, SoFi, NBA official bank, guys. This is crazy, crazy marketing. I'm telling you, it does not get any clearer than this, okay? This is how you have extremely high conversion rate, okay? SoFi continues to get better at marketing, okay? That's why they need to free up their lending capacity to capitalize if they're going to be bringing on 1 million members, okay? We can't be capital constrained right now. We need to, attack the market, gain market share, gain profitability, and destroy these shorts. I think 2024 is going to be an absolutely insane year for SoFi. I do not think they want to slow down, okay? I think, interest rates are going to come down. They're going to get through this little hump of, higher for longer, and, we're going to be killing it, okay? Just a matter of time. So, guys, take a look at the brand awareness marketing. Watch an NBA game tonight. You're going to see SoFi, multiple times, in my opinion, I believe. Now, guys, I know you continue to hear about New York Community Bank Corp. On the brink of, collapse. Cash infusion is what the headlines was today. I said SoFi will destroy all these old fart legacy banks through tech and digital transformation, not having those legacy branches, not having those, massive dividends, and, just massive cost savings, going fully digital. This company was founded in 1859, guys. SoFi was founded in like 2010, okay? It's like 14 years old. This company's around 200 years old. Look at the most recent earnings, guys. 300 million revenue, net income negative $2.7 billion. Net profit margin negative 829%. I mean, this isn't just the first bank, guys. We've seen this with multiple other banks, like 5 bank collapses, okay? This is going to continue to happen. I understand there is a lot of competition in America when you compare, to like a Brazil where Nubank is just absolutely dominating. But SoFi is dominating the competition. We are the competition. And I'm telling you, you're going to continue to see these banks just fold and fold and fold, okay? I do not believe we're going to get anywhere near a legacy banking multiple, okay? I understand if you take, 20 stocks, you got a average sector multiple PE ratio, and that is true. But there's always one big winner in a sector. That happened with the automakers. You have a Tesla destroying the multiples. That happens in the restaurant business. Look at Chipotle destroying the multiples. It just continues to go on. Look at Nubank just destroying, legacy multiples. I think we will get there if we continue to grow profits and grow our revenue at, these 20 to 30% rates over the next, 2 to 3 years. Right now, I believe the stock should be valued at $14 to $16. That's on a 6 times price to sales multiple, okay? You can look at, dozens and dozens of other companies that are trading at ridiculous price to sales multiples in the 20 to 30x range just because they're in a SaaS or AI, category. But in reality, it's always going to come down to growth rates. And SoFi has those growth rates. That's why the multiple does not make sense right now. They are a new company growing their profits. We can expect 700% EPS growth over the next 3 years. You really need to look into the details and see, what that really is, because at 800 million profit, a Nubank, Brazil, they just pulled $1 billion profit. So we're going to be doing right near the numbers of Nubank. They're trading at 50 billion market cap. Look at our market cap right now. SoFi is trading at a 7.2 billion market cap right now. It's absolutely insane, guys. our revenue could be potentially near 3 billion this year. We're talking 2 to 3 times sales. This is the same multiple that these legacy banks are getting. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will be keeping you updated daily. I'm very excited for this convertible note to finalize on Friday, and let's see how the stock acts the next couple of weeks when we see institutional investors, potentially gobble up a lot of shares, off the market. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.